going on, guys? Today we are installing shark fins, a vortex generator on Josh's car. They're the individual ones, they're just like mine. I'm actually doing the install even though it's on Josh's car just because I already know the measurements and how to do it. I'll quickly go over the measurements and then I'll put them on, and so you guys know for you. This works really well for me, it looks really good. So I'll go over the measurements quick. To start off, your first shark fin will be 2 inches from this ledge here and 2 inches from the windshield up, and then you put them on, and then the next one will go 3 inches from this side, from this corner to the next corner, and then so on and so on. And then you just go, you put your 4 on until here, and then you do the same exact thing from that side, so 2 and 2, and then go from 3. So it's pretty straightforward, super easy install, looks really cool. So let's get into this install and putting them on Josh's car. Alright guys, so we're all done that side. They look really good, they're straight and everything. Josh told me how to put them, so they're good. Now we're going to start up on this side, same exact thing, just starting from obviously this side of the car as opposed to that side. And then we'll get some clips of the whole thing done up. And I hope you guys learned how to do it. And yeah.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. We just came here for a couple photo shots for our IG, so make sure you go follow us on IG and TikTok. We're popping on there right now. But yeah, so we installed the shark fins as you see. They're both, we only recorded my car, but they're on Andrew's too. But yeah, they look really good. It's a little bit in the future, so we had them on for a little bit, so they're sticking fine. Looking super good. But yeah, that's the end of the video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want more just like random photos and videos, make sure you follow us for, like I said, on our TikTok and Instagram at sboys_tv, and don't forget to use code sboys at More Element. If you want to buy anything off their website, you get 15% off there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video.